Alright guys, on the '06 Nissan Titan, I'm doing the hub bearings, doing the brake rotors, fronts, and front brake pads. I got these from 1A Auto. I just ordered them. Um, I'm not one of their people or nothing. I just ordered it, and the hub bearings are TRQ brand. And here are the rotors. I got them drilled and slotted. Got the good ones. So I'm gonna put this on a '06 Nissan Titan. Say what's up, baby. Um, my factory bearings, I hear a little noise, and I like to do them before they go bad. So there's about that time. I got about 150,000 miles on the '06 Nissan Titan. So I'm gonna change them, and then I'll show you how to do them. So get you some jack stands. Then I got me my other jack to jack it up.